Hey, today we're gonna be going through how to edit an assembly of a road. So this is our assembly that was made. This is the Crown Lane assembly. There's been problems using this, and it was used on this site. It shows that it has a crown, but when it makes the contours on the corridor surface, it doesn't come out as crown. So we're gonna swap out the Crown Lane subassembly just for two individual lanes. So if it's already made, you can just delete what you want to not use anymore. And then now we're just left with the curb and the daylight grading that's over here on the left hand side. If we go to the home tab and select our tool palette for our subassemblies and then navigate to lanes here at the bottom, we can do the lane super elevation AOR. It's going to prompt you at the bottom to either insert, replace, or put it in detached. We want to insert it, and you can click the subassembly where you want to insert it. In this case, we want to insert it before this curve because we want it on this side, so we'll do B for before, and then click. It inserts the lane. And if we look over here in our properties, we only want it to be a 10.5 foot lane. It's gonna vary project to project, but that's pretty typical to be 10.5 feet. And now we're missing the other side of the road, so you can select the assembly as a whole. Then at the top up here, you can do mirror, and then select marker point within assembly. You click this circle here, and then it mirrors it to the other side. Now we have the complete road with the curve and the daylights on either side. You can edit various properties throughout the properties tab over here, like lane width, slope, if you want a crown road, if it's the left or the right hand side of the road, and other items like that.